Okay, so we've got a stepper motor from a microwave, and that's acting as the generator. We've got a little 3D printed pivot arm that could be made out of wood or something. And then I've got a bearing mounted in it to act as a swivel, so the string can turn. And here we have our wing. It's got a bow in it. This distance from the string to the bow here is 10% of the length of the wing. And I took a piece of balsa wood, hot melt, glued it to the wing, and then took a washer, a big one, and put it someplace where this would balance. So if this was, I can't do it now, but it balances. Then the string on the top goes up to a swivel up in the tree that I've got tied off. Another little feature is some grommets I printed up so that the string wouldn't tear into the foam. This is 1/4 inch foam, 6 inches wide and 44 inches tall. So anyway, that's the system right there. The generator is a stepper motor out of a microwave oven, and this is the lever arm. It's got 4 wires that come out, 2 AC lines. I believe they're out of phase. I took one pair, connected it to a white LED bulb. So if it lights up, that's around 3 volts. So you can see that it doesn't take a whole lot to get that bulb to light. So if we can just get this thing spinning at a modest rate, we can get some usable voltage out of it.